Are you confused about how to file your GST returns? Do GSTR1, GSTR3B, and input tax credit feel overwhelming? You're not alone, and this video is going to simplify it all. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how to file GST returns step by step, even if you've never done it before. Let's get started. Welcome to CA Nexus Nashik, where we simplify taxes, business registration, and compliance for startups, small businesses, and professionals across India. So, what exactly is a GST return? A GST return is a document that a registered taxpayer needs to file with the GST department. It shows all your sales, purchases, tax collected on sales, and the input tax credit you want to claim. Think of it as telling the government, here's what I earned, here's what I bought, and here's what I owe in tax, or want back. Let's talk about the most important types of GST returns for regular taxpayers. Number 1, GSTR1. This is where you report your outward supplies, which means your sales. You file this monthly or quarterly. Number 2, GSTR3B. This is a monthly summary of sales, purchases, tax liability, and input tax credit. It's where you actually pay your GST. If you're under the composition scheme, you'll file CMP-08 instead. Before you begin filing, make sure you have these things ready: your sales invoices, purchase bills, credit and debit notes, your GST login details, access to your accounting software or Excel. Let's now file GSTR1, which is the return for outward supplies. Step 1. Visit www.gst.gov.in and log in. Step 2. Go to the Returns dashboard. Step 3. Select the correct month and click on GSTR1. Now you'll fill in the following details. B2. B invoices for sales to registered businesses. B2. C large for interstate sales over 2.5 lakh. B2C. Small for smaller sales within your state. Credit and debit notes, nil-rated or exempted supplies. Click Save, then Submit. Once submitted, click Generate Summary, and finally, file with DSC or EVC. That's it. You filed GSTR1. Now let's move to GSTR3B, which is where you pay your tax. Step 1. Go to the Returns dashboard and select GSTR3B. Step 2. Enter these details: outward taxable supplies, inward supplies under reverse charge, input tax credit you're claiming, your total tax liability. Click Save, then Preview. Check for errors, then Submit. Use your cash ledger or credit ledger to pay, and finally file with DSC or EVC. That's your monthly GST filing done. Here are the key deadlines you should remember. GSTR1 is due on the 11th of the next month if you file monthly, or 13th of the month after the quarter. If you're a quarterly filer, GSTR3B is due on the 20th of the following month. Missing these deadlines can result in late fees and penalties. So set reminders. Let's talk about common mistakes people make when filing GST returns. Number 1, not reconciling sales and purchase data. Number 2, filing GSTR3. B, but forgetting GSTR1. Number 3, mismatched invoices that block your input tax credit. Number 4, late filing, which leads to unnecessary penalties. Avoid these, and you'll stay compliant and stress-free. Here are a few expert tips to make your GST filing easier. Use accounting tools like Tally, Zoho Books, or ClearTax. Reconcile your sales and purchases monthly. Keep digital copies of all invoices. Hire a professional CA if you're unsure. It's worth the peace of mind. At CA Nexus Nashik, we help businesses of all sizes with their GST returns, reconciliation, and tax planning. If you still feel unsure about filing GST returns, don't worry, we've got your back. Start planning today. Choose CA Nexus. Call +91 98 60 40 00651. Visit www.zensta.in/connexus/ or email us at info@connexusnashik.com. Also follow us on Instagram at ca.nexus.nashik. If this video helped you, share it with your business circle and subscribe to our channel for more practical finance content every